Hi everyone, Ed here. About to change the headlights on my 2010 HHR, and you have to pull off the bumper cover to change your headlights. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do and give you some steps on how to take this apart. One of the things I did before I even started was I put my headlights on and I just marked my garage door. I put a couple little marks just to make sure that when I do replace the headlights and put the new ones on, I can kind of get them back into the same spot. To start to remove your bumper cover, you're going to have to remove these nuts right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. They're 7 millimeters. You have to remove those 4, and then come over and do this on both sides of your vehicle. You're going to have to remove the 7 millimeter that's right up here, these push pin clips, and also the push pin clips that are down underneath the vehicle. Also, I do have fog lights, so I'm going to have to disconnect those on both sides. So I'm going to start taking these off. Now we're going to pop off these clips. If you have this tool, it makes life a lot easier. You don't really mangle them and stuff. Give it a little twist and you can pop them right out. So here's the other clip right there that you have to take off from underneath. And then there's another 7 millimeter right here. And then once you do that, you can reach behind here, and if you have fog lights, you can disconnect the harness. And just another little tip, make sure you unplug the side marker lights before you pull the bumper cover off, which you will pull from right here and pull out like that. Do that on both sides and right here in the middle, and it will loosen and then drop down. The only other suggestion I might have is, if I have small hands and arms, you may want to turn the steering wheel just so the tires are turned out, so that you'll have easier access to get in here. Okay, so once you do that, you can see you can pull the bumper all the way down, and then you have access to your headlights. 7 millimeter nuts, bolts, to remove the headlight assembly, and then you should be good to go. It's just reverse putting it back together. Just take your time, and you should not have any kind of issues. Pretty simple job. Took me less than 5 minutes to do, just pulling this assembly off. And if you have air tools, it kind of helps and speeds up taking the bolts off. But good luck out there. Yeah, I'm back. A little premature. Sorry about that. Haven't done a video in a while. I think I'm in a brain fog. So that's the old headlight, and that's the new one. So to remove the headlight assembly, there's a couple 7 millimeter bolts right here and right there. So once you remove those, you can replace the assembly itself.